Kushube kakhulu ke My Brother's Keeper this week. Ufakazile ufuna ukubona umndeni kaShabalala uxabene, ungazwani, ungakhulumisani, kuphithene phakathi kwawo. Kodwa ke uDonga akakuboni lokho. Kunenhlanhlano yothando eqhumayo ke phakathi kukaThoba noDidi. Kanti ke uDonga umoshe eyona meeting yokuqala abanayo khona ke Eshaba Snax. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you all what's going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 4th to the 8th of November 2024 on Monday. Mamchunu blames Mshengu for Ngubeko's outburst and he sends Donga to bring Ngubeko back home while Fakazile bask in her own glory for turning the Shabalalas against each other on Tuesday. Donga messes up the presentation. Tulani sings like a bird when Mamchunu asks what's wrong. Sbu apologizes to Didi on Wednesday. Donga shakes things up at Shaba Snax. Busiso calls Toba out for buying Didi gift. Tulani rejects Menzi's effort to win him over on Thursday. Donga welcomes an old client back to Shaba Snax. The Shabalas meet Menzi for the first time against their will. There is a spark between Toba and Didi on Friday. Ndumiso attacks Shaba Snax's biggest client like a raging bull. Ngubeko feels validated by Donga's irrational decision making. Toba and Sibusiso chose their father's side respectively. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.